I'm CEO and founder of Yellow Tunnel, and today I'd like to go over current market condition to discuss Fed rate decision, 50 basis points rate cut, go over opportunities in the market, talk about Magnificent Seven stocks, NVDA, Apple, and where are the opportunities in the market. For those of you who are new, this is a brief bio. And disclosures are important. I'm going to go through specific trades, so please read the disclosures. You can pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. All right, let's take a look. Profit accelerator. Going into the FOMC decision, Spiders shows that long term is still intact. We're facing all-time high. Market been fluctuating between gains and losses. We're still haven't closed. It's turning negative towards the end. Interest rates curve is normalizing, right? The 30-year is moving a lot higher than the 2-year, so yield curve normalization, that's good. Longer terms points to soft landing, but dollar is weak, and VIX is still, we have VIX expiration, so VIX is close to, was as high as 1920 level, so VIX is heading higher as well. So it's not all green light. People need to digest this 50 basis points cuts. You can see NVDA is pulling back. Bitcoin is not really moving higher. Crude oil is underperforming. Japanese Nikkei underperforming. Yen continues to rally against the US dollar. So it's not all green light. I would wait for decisive breakout. We tried to break out. Value stocks made new all-time high. Spiders made all-time high. Dow Jones, right? That, you know, rotation into from cyclicals into staples, right, into high dividends, high beta versus low beta, rotation into low beta. This trade is still on, but, you know, even though we made new marginal highs, you want to wait at least 2 to 3 days, especially that we have the Fed decision today. We have Bank of Japan interest rate decision on Friday, and then OPEX on Friday for the September, which could also spark volatility. I'm long Tesla. What happened to it? In profit accelerator, it got triggered today on the initial rally. This is the second time I'm trading Tesla. So I did trim the position. I do have LLY. I did trim Tesla position. Still have half of the original position left. So those are some of my bullish positions. Still holding on to QQQ put spread as a hedge. I did add more of a TradeSpoon content. We're going to have a join, you know, TradeSpoon user will now be able to log into Yellow Tunnel. And not only do we have live trading room, but active investor workshop. Type in, you know, anything that you want to learn on technical analysis, you know, options, and, you know, you're going to see a big library of different webinars from the past on options, butterflies, you know, condors, and a lot of good content that is now available. And not now, but soon you'll be able to log in with your TradeSpoon user ID and password as well. We do have today at 7 p.m. I'm going to be traveling next week, so if you want to learn more, we talked about volatility term structure, right? Today we talked about on Spiders positioning, how to rebalance your portfolio, how to construct your portfolio, what are some of the risks, what are some of the trades. Please join me for this discussion on Spiders. We were talking, I forgot to put gamma exposure, right? So the gamma exposure, if you look, you know, the reason for options expiration that I'm a little concerned is that most of the gamma, billions of dollars worth of notional gamma, is going to expire on Friday, and October has only a fraction of that gamma position. Right now, we are pretty well positioned at 550. This is your 50-day moving average. But once OPEX comes in and these contracts expires, I would watch 50-day moving average. If we break below 50-day moving average, you're really not well positioned, and, you know, market could move significantly lower. So 550 is something that I'm watching on the gamma exposure. And you can also look at, see the same kind of chart on expected move for Spiders, right? In the next, after the September expiration, you know, market could reach 540, right? Best, you know, based on the implied move. It could be on 540, could be 580, 584. But those are some of the things we're going to discuss on today, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. Please join me. Thank you very much.